Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we are going to see job opportunities for mechanical graduate and automobile graduates. So the name of the company is Volvo company, and it's one of the dream company and core company for most of the mechanical graduates and automobile graduate. So let us see in detail. So this is the official website of Volvo. So I will be giving the link in the description. Once you click the link, you can directly go to the official website of the company. So let us see what are the job posting which they advertise right now. So various job are available like data scientist in vehicle engineering, and job location is in Bangalore, and embedded software integration engineer, head of business control, and associate engineer chassis equipment. So today we are going to see only one job title, that is associate engineer chassis equipment. So as I said before, all the jobs are from Bangalore, and they have posted on 14 December recently only. So try to apply as early as possible. And if you want to join the company means then you have to apply and fill all your details. Before that, let us see what are the requirements which they expect from us. And the last date 15 no, this is not right. Just now they posted. Okay, so you will be having some time for applying too. So job location is in Bangalore. Actually, the company is mainly focusing on chassis equipment, and your responsibility is to develop a component and like chassis equipments like fuel tank, exhaust, urea tank, air tank, spare wheel, etc. The group responsibility covers the maintenance and starting of the project costs, and the Volvo company have projects across various parts of the world. And main job description is they are looking for an engineer who can reinforce the team deliveries to the global site, including building on the chassis engineering in Bangalore. So as an engineer, you should be focusing on delivering the technical solution in terms of QDCF, and you have to work closely with the group and related to cross function. And they have various sites in Sweden, US, Japan, Brazil, India, and have to publish a good network within the group and chases, including the global counterparts. And the qualification and skills are those who are coming from automobile background and those who have exposure to after treatment system like fuel system, LNG, air tank, etc. can make use of it. And you have to have the capacity to work individually as well as with small team to secure the right quality of deliverables. And you have to be good in cross function collaboration too. So other things are you should be very well structured and organize everything, and you should have a good communication skill and problem solving skill, and you should be someone who can be a team leader as well as you can also work as an individual. So these are the skills which they expect from you. As you know, Volvo Group is one of the world leading manufacturer of trucks, buses, construction equipments, marine and industrial engines. So if you get an opportunity to work there means then it will be a great deal for you. So once you apply for this, they will be sending a mail to you. So it will be regarding the interview, and the interview will be either in online or offline. They will intimate clearly. So after the interview, once you are selected means selection process will be there. So after the selection process, selected candidates alone will be sent for onboarding. So this is the scheme and this is the flow of the process selection. So let us see how to apply for this job. And you can also visit their website so that you can see other details too. So when you click apply now, you will be directed to this page. You can easily apply without signing also. You can also apply for this job by signing with LinkedIn and signing with the Facebook. So if you are already having a password and mail ID means then directly you can apply for it. If not means you have to create an account. You have to sign up and create an account, and then you have to give all your basic details and then apply for this job. So you will be getting a dialog box like this. You have to agree if you are willing to work on it. If you don't want to work means you can also click disagree. So after creating an account by giving all your basic details, you can apply for this job. So I hope so this video is useful for you. If you feel useful means kindly share the video to mechanical and automobile graduates, and do subscribe our channel and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.